This is lion. Baby lion is called cub. This is elephant. Baby elephant is called calf. This is cow. Baby cow is called calf. This is cat. Baby cat is called kitten. This is dog. Baby dog is called puppy. This is horse. Baby horse is called foal. This is goat. Baby goat is called kid. This is hen. Baby hen is called chick. Don't forget to like and subscribe